Hey everyone, my name is Ansley. I don't really go by anything else, so you can just call me Ansley. I go to the University of North Georgia, and my major is biology. I really like writing. I guess I would say it's probably my favorite hobby. In high school, I participated in quite a few writing competitions, and I won some. My favorite one that I won was a Halloween writing competition. Although the reward for it kind of sucked, it was just a very sad fanny pack, so that wasn't exactly great. I really like dancing, just by myself though, not really in front of other people. Thanks to the pandemic, I really discovered that I like baking, so that was kind of a new thing. I really like animals, which is kind of what made me decide to study biology because I would like to work with them in some sort of capacity. Um, I'd like to be a marine biologist and maybe work with octopi or perhaps seals. And if that doesn't work out, then I'd like to work in animal rehabilitation and take some sort of injured animal and make sure it can get back out into the wild where it belongs, because I think that's probably for the best, honestly. Um, the most recent book that I read was The Song of Achilles. It's kind of a depressing book, if I'm being honest, but I still thought it was very good. I really like Greek mythology, so I kind of have a thing for poetry books or any sort of fantasy novel that revolves around anything to do with that sort of a nature. I also like true crime novels and books about nature and wildlife. So, yeah, that pretty much sums me up.